Hello, everyone. I'm very pleased to be joined by with Mr. Nilesh Shah, the Managing Director of Kotak Mahindra Asset Management, and the winner of the Best Fund House overall at the Morningstar Fund Awards 2021. Nilesh, congratulations on the win.
Thank you, Kaustubh and Morningstar, for recognizing our efforts. We manage trust of millions of investors. When such recognition come our way, it motivates us to work even more.
Nilesh, the win is truly a testament to all the great work you and your team have been doing and putting in place all these robust investment processes and really streamlining them over time. Which helps you ride over market cycles. So it'd be great to hear some insights about how you all really go about this.
So, at a very early start of my career, one investor told me that Nilesh, when I give money to you, I don't expect you to make the same mistakes which I am capable of making. And that was a very, very pertinent advice that has remained with me for life. I get money from retail investors. We need to invest that in real businesses. That is where our research team works hard to find real businesses. We call our equity philosophy BNB. B stands for business, M for management, and V for valuation. We want to invest in businesses which are real and which over a cycle earns more on equity than cost of capital. In terms of management, we want to invest with management who will not take minority shareholders for a ride. We also want to invest with management who have vision and who have ability to execute that vision. From a valuation point of view, a fund manager always wants to buy something which is very, very cheap. But market is never going to be like that forever. So we have to buy what we believe has reasonable margin of safety. Either companies will show more profit growth than what is expected by the market, and hence we will have margin of safety, or the market is discounting the future at a much lower manner than what we believe. This combination of business, management, and valuation helps us build portfolio which eventually outperforms benchmark indices and delivers risk-adjusted return for our investors. On the fixed income side, our philosophy is SLR. S for safety, L for liquidity, and R for return. We believe return of principal is more important than return on principal. In fixed income, safety comes first. When I was, again, very early in my career, we had a joint venture with JP Morgan and read a book called House of Morgans. There, in one of the hearing, legendary banker JP Morgan replied that he lends money against the character of a person. His quote has immortalized what bankers and fund managers should be following. You lend money to people with character, and that's how return of principal is guaranteed. We also manage open-ended schemes across most of our portfolios. We have to give money every day, day after day, as investors demand, and hence liquidity of portfolio is critical. After managing safety and liquidity, we have to generate return. This philosophy of SLR has also helped generate risk-adjusted return for our investors. This BMB and SLR signifies just 6 alphabets, but that's the fulcrum around which our investment process has been built.
Nilesh, we love the anecdotes that you share because it becomes so relatable to what you're saying. And I think the proof of the pudding is that, we witnessed the consistency with which, what you articulate has been followed by, Harsh and his team and Lakshmi and her team. So, really, that's the proof of the pudding, the way the funds have weathered all market cycles. And, you've obviously, seen so many market cycles over your long and illustrious career. 2020 was this brutal year from so many perspectives. Were there any learnings from you, for you in terms of, there's something that you probably start looking at differently after what we saw in 2020?
So, legendary Indian opener Sunil Gavaskar, whenever he used to score a century, used to take a fresh start. That was kind of resetting in his mind that my innings has begun afresh. In investment career also, many a times you need to go back to basics and start afresh. 2020 was the year where we had to take a fresh start and going back to the basics. Experiences taught us that it's difficult to predict market movement. You have to buy when things are cheap and sell when things are expensive. You can't take cash call because you never know where markets will be in future. This taking fresh guard has helped us manage the volatility of 2020. In March 20, mother of bear market was visible. In a very short period of time, index and our NAVs had fallen. But by sticking to the discipline that we don't have ability to forecast future, and when valuations are in your favor, despite COVID-19 crisis, it is time to buy. This fresh guard helped us manage volatility of 2020 and again reconfirmed our faith that investment is all about common sense. It's not only about the fundamentals of the market, but also about psychology of the market.
And that's some great insights, Nilesh. And like we always love hearing those analogies, the cricket analogies from you. So if I would ask you a cricketing analogy, what an investor should do with their portfolios, how would you take it?
So my recommendation to investors will be epitomize Rahul Dravid. Rahul Dravid was gentleman to the core. He had all the cricketing talents to play all kind of shots. And yet, in the test match, he played more than 32,000 balls to score whatever runs he has scored. And he is the second highest run getter for India in test match. He has scored, I think, 28 centuries, faced 32,000 balls, and he never gave away his wicket. Chris Gayle talked about Rahul Dravid that if Rahul Dravid wants, he can play like Chris Gayle. But if I want, I can't play like Rahul Dravid. That match where Saurav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid thrashed apart Sri Lankan bowling in World Cup preliminary match, where both of them scored a century and created, I think, 300 plus run for India, shows that what aggression Rahul Dravid was capable of. And yet, match after match, he was standing there, maintaining one end, tiring out bowlers and scoring runs. If person of the ability, talent of Rahul Dravid stayed on the pitch, faced 32,000 balls to score runs, as an investor, we must learn from him and stay invested. A disciplined asset allocation and a long-term investment approach will be the best way to make money for an investor. And there's no better person than Rahul Dravid in Indian cricket who epitomizes that.
Neeraj bhai, I think that is some excellent pearls of wisdom. I think you really articulated so well, and such a great cricketer, that we should be following in the footsteps when it comes to our own investing philosophies. So, thank you so much, and congratulations once again to the entire team at Kotak Mahindra Asset Management for the win. I think a very well-deserved achievement for all the work that you put.
Thank you, Kaustubh. And I humbly accept this award on behalf of my team led by Harsha on the equity side and Lakshmi on the fixed income side. In fact, I also want to recognize the contribution of female members in our team. While obviously when we select people, we don't look at the gender, but having female in investment creates a different point of view. Lakshmi is one of the few female chief investment officer on fixed income side. And we also have Shibani Kurian, who is head of research and also a fund manager now. Their contribution has actually helped us balance our investment process. And I would encourage every fund manager to create diversity in their team, as they will be able to cover different views.
That's really some thoughtful insights, Nilesh. Thank you so much. Congrats once again.
Thank you.